Why this one they call me? Hello?
Hello, happy new month.
Happy new month. Yeah. Don't tell me it's what I'm thinking. Who the 100?
Now your first fruit.
You who get fruit for the 100?
He's strong now.
He's strong. 3 years old boy strong.
Whoa, sir, send our allowance. So send the man allowance for this month.
I can't you they shout. Ima!
Yo. Daddy, have fun now.
I'm your mate. Benita, don't lie. You they give this picking.
The shark strong. Send the allowance for this
You they
month.
give my
10,000
picking.
naira.
No way, they come Nigeria. Straight tomorrow.
Send the 10,000 before you come.
Ima, that is your. Maybe they know theirs. I will wait.
May God
Lights don't
not
even
allow
need
them,
that.
make them see you.
Oh my Jesus, waiting here.
I'm sorry, no baby.
Why you want be USB code?
I'm not saying that you.
You don't say that me. Where my picking?
Wetin be this? Yo. Daddy, have fun now.
You. So that's true. Now my picking with it. Benita, not lie. You cheated on me. You go knock bouncer.
No, I don't like any basa. Now wait till you give me, I give you.
How 3 years old picking strong like this?
They chop better food.
See how 3 years old boy be like person don't propose. Benita, no lie. Wait till they use this boy allowance.
Calm down, I go tell you. See, 5K, they use and buy food for him, Then the remaining 5K, they put am for pillow.
Who say you put money for pillow?
You think say they wise?
I'm sorry, I can't find any money.
Calm down, not with that pillow, Joy. I talk about pillow app.
Wait till be pillow up.
Pillow app is #1 Nigerian saving app. It helps users to earn and save a daily dollar interest. See, with every bank deposit, you can get 14% annual interest on your savings, which is the highest across all banks.
How I go register?
You click the link on the bio, then you download the Pillow app. Use Shark as your promo code so that you go get 700 naira bonus on your first deposit.
Okay, I go do pillow up. Benita, this speaking an adult. This speaking an adult. I'm sorry, sir. Where is this child birth certificate? Where is the birth certificate? Show me.
I go show you. I go show you.
I want to see it, maybe. Jesus.
How 3 years old boy go to work out? This speaking an cultist. As soon as I say the blood of Jesus. Iman. Daddy. Yeah, you won't kill me.
I don't want to go and eat.
Eat.
You dey use your function to play.
Conflicts boy. Golden man boy. Mommy, man, I try you. Yeah. Don't tell me what I'm saying.
What the be this?
The job boat. Yeah. Mommy, man. This begin the job boat and spanner.
I don't soak am now. I suppose don't soak.
I on the salt. You like to
Jesus!
Emmanuel, you.
You want to beat my mom, Yabi?
I will never do that.
Blood of Jesus is fat. Let's fight man to man.
Small but mighty. Mac mommy now.
I'm on this life, now who get person and they enjoy am. Forget.
Who get person may enjoy? Who get person we get yash na they enjoy?
That's it. Hello?
To get person.
How far now?
Okay. What they enjoy forehead.
How far the phone?
Say this thing. Who get person?
You don't say it. No shaking.
See what they carry person.
Now 80k remain.
See this thing.
Baba, I don't get that kind of money now, but no wahala. I get my guys then what I deal with now. So I'll just collect the 80k from them, then just no shaking.
If you get problem, call God. If you get business, call me.
Bro,
if you get problem, call God. If you get business, call me. If you get problem, call God. If you get business, call me. If you get problem, call God. If you get business, call me. If you get problem, call God. If you get business, call. If you get problem, call God. If you get business, call me. If you get problem, call God. If you get business, call me. If you get problem, call God. If you get business, call me. If you get problem, call God. If you get business, call me. If you get problem, call God. If you get business, call me. If you get problem, call God. If you get business, call me. Idiot. Suffer for work.
Yes! Jesus!
You dey see? Abeg, no vex. Hope you know wound.
Yeah, yours is that.
I'm in hurry, abeg.
Are you playing? What? Let me see this give me that.
It is small Igbo.
Please take this one, make you go treat yourself, abeg. I'm in hurry.
We can create wonders. Yeah, it's a successful a town hall. Different.
Say now he won't kill you. Or if say now he won't kill you, I bet no, hey, no can't tell me, ma can't tell me, take this money, go and go touch up door.
What are you saying?
247, every day you come through for me.
2023 is making sense already.
70 years old man.
They play, just they play.
I am too much.
Jesus.
Oh, say the motor no enjoy you.
Hey, ask your grandfather.
Oh boy. Idiot. One of them don't die for COVID finish, and I won't come die for real life. You want to my car? You want to am?
We just pray.
Idiot. Oh, say no enjoy you.
I just made an injury.
You never see anything. You never see anything.
Yeah, take me use that. You want to collect? Oh yeah, take. Me use and go treat yourself. Bastard. Go. Now why?
Thank you for sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for joy, thank you for pain.
Keke give me 5,000 naira. Boss give me 8k. Benz give me 50k. Let's see what we'll get from this.
Oh, no matter the matter, RTID.
Olaba.
Now well done, no. Mama, give me rice.
How much on?
As usual, the way you did give me before.
Ella, come and sell food. Give that brother 100 naira rice.
Jesus.
Oh, what is the meaning of this one? Why she go put paper for my food?
Paper ke? Ella, why you put paper for your food?
Since when this brother they come buy food, you know they buy meat or fish. So since I don't get money to buy fish for her, now I draw fish inside paper, make you remember how fish look like.
Oh! God have mercy upon us.
Think about your life.
The result, you know, see.
The food that can take you to heaven. Rice and stew.
I go by the name, but I was so.
Just they go like that.
No.
Nobody can take my destiny, oh. Nobody can take my destiny, oh. That's a matter. No go look at face. One day the heart to pay. One day the heart to pay. Nobody can take my destiny, oh. Nobody can take my destiny, oh. That's a matter. No go look at face. One day the heart to pay. One day the heart to pay. Nobody can take my destiny, oh.
Una dey see law. Una dey see old people relationship. You see this our current relationship, our current generation. Goes this way. You are my soulmate. 1 year and 2 days, it don't end. I will never live without you. Debo. In 6 months, everybody don't find way. Gigi. You are my ride or die. The steering where they drive them, they don't come out. In 2 weeks.
Yeah, for vanishing.
You are the air I breathe. I man don kill both of them in 2 hours. You no fit do it again.
Bad blue. Blue.